How you guys doing? This is Bobo here. I got a new mod. It's the Cuboid limited edition silver. I got a Tornado Nano on it. I rebuilt it to 3 ohms with a 26 gauge parallel, and it's a very amazing mod. I mean, the vapor production and the flavor is something serious. I'm at 55 watts. It's such a good mod, especially when you take a look at all the specs on it. It's beautiful. I got it locked at 55 watts, 3 ohms, puff counter 24,000. I haven't smoked cigarettes in a long time, but yeah, that vapor is just something serious. I mean, one more time here.